cryptocurrency lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about top 7 platforms you can trade your cryptocurrencies. This is especially for those that are into spot trading. So these are the top 7 platforms you can easily trade your cryptocurrencies and make profits. The truth is this, the volume on a platform determines how fast you can sell your coins. If you have a particular coin, let's say you have Dogecoin and you want to sell it on a platform that has less volume, you will most likely get stuck, and most likely you are going to make loss, because by the time you are stuck, the prices of these coins are fluctuating on other platforms and you end up running into loss when you don't have a buyer to buy your own coin. So if you want to make profits in spot trading or cryptocurrency trading, then these 7 platforms are the best you can register on. I'm going to tell you the volume of their spot trading activities, and this will help you, guide you to know which of them you have to select and why you should select them. Number 1 on the list is on arguably Binance. Binance has been for a very long time. I've been trading Binance for years. And one thing about these guys is that they have $7.2 billion trading volume. So per day, people trade about $7.2 billion on Binance platform. Don't forget, they also have binance.us. Binance.us is for those that are based in the United States of America. They also have their app on Play Store. But it's different from the general Binance, which is binance.com. So the number 1 website where you can trade your cryptocurrency is binance.com. Now, if you are new to binance.com, please check the description section below. You'll see my link where you can use to register on the platform and start making profit. Now, if you, as a new person, once you register on Binance and you verify your identity, there is a very high chance that you're going to win. You're going to claim 100 USDT, that's $100. Instantly, you get a reward. So all you have to do is claim your reward. But beyond that, if you check the platform, you will get to realize that almost everything, if you trade Binance on or if you trade cryptocurrency on Binance, you have access to a whole lot of possibilities, from spot trading to margin trading to spot margin. You have futures trade. They also have some investments that you can do on the platform. It all depends on your plans, how much you want to make, and how fast you want to make them. They have lots of coins. The volume is high, lots and lots of coins, even tokens you have never heard of before. So all you have to do is register on the platform, sign up, and start trading. Now, if you register on the platform, you also have, they said register now, get up to $100 USDT in trading fee rebate for verified users, but you have to be verified, like I said earlier. Now, anywhere you are in the world, you have the possibility of using this platform to trade. So just sign up and start making money. Another thing is that they have a vault where you can earn daily rewards on your hidden tokens. So if you have any coin whatsoever, there is a per annum earning that you can always earn from them. There is a percentage. All you have to do is just keep your coins to Binance and you are good to go. And it is also secured, extremely secured. Now, the second one on the list here is we have OKS.com. Now, OKS.com has been for some time also. This is the platform. I am surprised at the volume at which this platform controls. OKS.com has a volume of $1 billion. These guys have $1 billion spot trading volume, and it shows how valuable the platform is. It shows how rich the platform is, and this helps in determining how fast you can actually sell your coins and make profit. Now, if you trade on a platform that has zero volume, you are most likely going to run into loss, like I said earlier, because by the time you buy a coin for $10 and you are supposed to sell it at $12, on other platforms there's a possibility it has gone to $15, but on your own platform it has not even gone to $11. So you are most likely going to have a loss. So now, guys, you need to understand these differences and how these things work. That is how crypto works. That is how arbitrage works. So OKS.com is also a good platform. Like I said, it has a volume of about $1 billion. Then the next one here is Coinbase. Coinbase is also a great platform. They are based in US. One of the things I don't like about this platform is the verification stages. It is so difficult and very, very difficult to pass. So it all depends on where you are from and the kind of identification you want to use to verify your account. So they said explore Web3 profiles and claim one for free. So if you are into NFT, Well, this might actually be a better option than Binance. Yes, they have a lot of features on the platform. It is highly secured, monitored by United States government, and these are features that help this platform, scale. They said quarterly volume traded $145 billion. That's a whole lot of money. Now, countries supported, they support over 100 countries, and they have 110 million plus users, verified users. So that means this platform is also secured and they have good features. So, but like I said earlier, one of my turn off for this platform is the fact that the verification level is really high. It's always very difficult to verify on Coinbase, but Coinbase is the number 3 platform for trading cryptocurrencies. And now the fourth one on the list is Gate.io. Gate.io is a Chinese website, Chinese trading platform. They also have lots of volume. Before I say that, let me tell you the volume of Coinbase. Coinbase actually has about $896 million volume when it comes to trading. So guys, this is a top trading platform, at least for spot traders. Don't forget, this volume we are mentioning are for spot traders, that's spot trading activities. These guys they have a volume of $896 million. Don't forget, I told you earlier that Binance has a volume of $7.2 billion. So guys, the next one, like I said, is Gate.io. Gate.io has a whole lot of coins. In short, some coins that you only imagine in your sleep or in your dream. These are coins that you just wouldn't believe exist. They have lots of them, lots of crazy coins, lots of airdrops, lots of opportunities. So it all depends on you. It all depends on what you look at. Just imagine, say startup. Now, just imagine these coins: Asaki. This is Freepad. This is Fitbon. This is Limadao. So lots of coins that you just can't imagine, and they have their own coin, which is called Gate Token. Gate Token is doing very bad now. It used to be very high, but now it's doing so bad. Now, if you want to trade on this platform, just have to register. I have my link in the comment section below. Don't forget, that's in the description section below. You're going to see it right there. Just register on this platform and you are good to go. Now, the next one is KuCoin. Now, Gate.io, let me tell you the volume. Gate.io has a volume of $669 million. The sports trading activities on Gate.io is $669 million. That's really high too. But don't forget, like I said before, Binance has $7.2 billion. That's in straight volume. That means Binance is extraordinary. But then these guys too are good. You can also use them. But make sure you trade only coins with good volume. Now, the next one, like I said, is which is number 5, is Kraken. Where is Kraken? This is Kraken. Now, Kraken, they said sign up today to easily buy 200 plus cryptocurrencies. Get started in minutes with as little as $10. The truth is this: on any of the platforms, you can trade as low as $10. So this is not special to me, but these guys, Kraken commands a crypto volume of $490 million. That's huge too, guys. That is really huge. So they have space for NFTs. If you are a pro, so as a pro, you have margin trading, you have indices, you have futures, you have OTC. You have staking. Staking is when you buy a coin, keep it on a spot, and it starts making in money. So anything you want, they have the security, they have the infrastructure, and everything you can imagine. So this is also a great platform, and it's on the number 5 level on this platform. That's on this video. So I'm ranking them as number 5 on this video. Now the next one, which is number 6, is KuCoin. KuCoin has the volume, has a portfolio of stock trading activities of up to $455 million. $455 million. That means all the trades, all the what they have in the market, it's all $455 million. That's a whole lot of money. So if you go to the market, you're going to see all the funds there, and you'll be surprised that the volume at which these guys command. They have money also. The platform is secured. KuCoin is really popular. People are using KuCoin, yes, but I am more comfortable with Binance. I've always been on Binance. I'm on KuCoin. I'm on almost all the platforms. But I feel so comfortable trading on Binance because there is always someone out there that wants to buy my coin, either from the spot trade or from the futures where we are actually predicting and making money, or from the P2P platform. But P2P is when you want someone to sell to and you just go to the platform and you sell to the person immediately. Now, there are ways you can earn from KuCoin. It is whether you are a pro trader or not a pro trader. Number one is crypto lending. You can lend your coins out and make money. So KuCoin, they also have KuCoin Earn. So you can invest to earn stable coins through a professional asset manager. So they have a manager. This is why KuCoin is actually better than some of them. Another one is KuCoin Spotlight. Now we have KuCoin token launch program platform, where once they launch it, you are buying at an extremely cheap rate and you are selling at a high rate. They have the KuCoin Wealth. With KuCoin Wealth structured products, growing your crypto assets has never been easier. Then they have the KCS bonus. So you can hold your KCS coin to earn daily bonuses. Then we have the KuCoin Pool, empower house rates to realize gains. Then they have the cloud mining. Easy mining, easy profit. So if you want to mine KuCoin, you want to lend your crypto, and guys, this is the platform for you. Just rush down to KuCoin.com and register. And they're not even doing bad in the market because KuCoin has about $455 million in spot trading activity. So your coin can never be stopped on KuCoin. And that's it, guys. Then the last one, and not the least, okay, maybe the least in my ladder of platforms is Bitstamp. Bitstamp has been around for some time. It is active. They also can buy and trade on the original trusted crypto exchange. So they said they are a trusted crypto exchange, which is true. They have their apps on Play Store, they have it on Apple, and they have it on App Gallery. So you just have to grab a share of the stuff they have for you. So once you join, they said join us to celebrate Europe launch on Bitstamp, and now they are giving out about 150,000 Euro coins. So if you want to partake in that, just go and register right away. They said rated number 1 centralized crypto exchange. Well, I don't know who did that. They said Bitstamp crypto lending. Now, end with confidence. It's just one way to put your crypto gold. So these guys too also do crypto lending. I'm going to do a video on platforms that actually give out cryptocurrencies. Where you can lend out to cryptocurrencies and earn more money. So instead of trading or instead of taking unnecessary risk, all you have to do is just lend out to people and you make more money. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. We are always here to guide you, always here to help you out. If you need to know more about trading, go to our playlist. You will see the videos we've done before on P2P, on platforms where you can borrow coins, that's cryptocurrencies, and we pay over time and make money. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go down to my profile and click on subscribe. Subscribe, turn on your notifications. I talk about money, I talk about finance, I talk about investment, I talk about loans, I talk about tech, I do product review. So whatever you need from me, just let me know in the video section. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment sections below. I'll be right there to answer every one of you. Make sure you subscribe, share this video with your friends. I love you so much and I hope to see you again next time. Thank you for watching this video once again, and bye for now.